Welcome to the next section of our color mixing lesson. This section is going to have two videos. This first video is just to explain what the art materials are that you're going to need and how to pour the paint, okay? So this is a really quick video. So what I'd like you to do right now is if you are by yourself, I want you to pause the video and go and ask an adult in your house who can take about an hour of their time to sit with you, connect with you, and do this part of the lesson with you. So go get that adult, bring them back, and press play. All right, if you have pressed play, you are back with me and you have an adult sitting with you, and the two of you are going to be watching this video and the next video together doing this part of the lesson. It's important that you watch both videos together because we're going to be using the paint, and it's best to do this in one sitting. These are the materials you're going to need. Your paper plate numbered 1 through 6. This is called a color wheel. Your color wheel numbered 1 through 6. Your paintbrush. A cup of water. The water shouldn't be filled very high at all. Just maybe, you know, a half an inch up. You're going to need either a single piece of a paper towel or a napkin, or I highly suggest just bringing over your paper towel roll, okay? This can be super messy, and it's best to have what you need by you instead of running around the house trying to find what you need when there's a mess going on. And of course, the last thing you need is your paint. So you received this Ziploc bag with your materials. I want you to open it up. The 3 containers are Ziploc together, so carefully take them out. You take the rubber band off, okay? And right now, this is, the adult is going to be doing this part. The adult who's sitting with you is gonna be pouring the paint. We're gonna start, we're gonna put our color wheel off to the side, our paintbrush off to the side. We're gonna have a nice area. I like to have something under what I'm working on when I'm painting so that I don't paint directly onto my table or my countertop. If you don't mind the paint getting on your table, then it cleans up fine. It's washable paint. If you are working on a surface area that is delicate or is special to your family, I highly recommend laying down newspaper before you get started, okay? All right, so you have red, yellow, and blue, right? I want you to take the red container. This is the adult. The adult is doing this, please. Take the red container, pop the lid off, and I'd like you to pour a little bit of red, and I always have my paper towel ready when I'm pouring so that I can wipe the edge of the lid if I need to. You're gonna find number 1, and you're gonna just pour a little bit of the red on number 1. Not all of it, just about that much, okay? Then you're gonna wipe the edge of your edge of your container, and you're gonna pop the lid back on because we do not want any spills to happen. Put that off to the side, then take your yellow, you're gonna skip number 2, and you're gonna go to number 3, pop the lid off, pour a little, give a little pour on number 3. Wipe the edge, pop the container lid back on, put that off to the side. Red 1, skip 2, yellow 3, skip 4, grab your blue, pop the container off, and pour some blue onto number 5. Not all of it, some of it. All right, we have our paint poured. I'm gonna pop the lid back on. So these materials are gonna be off to the side, the paint materials, and we will pop them open and use them as we need them. Now you have your plate ready, you have all your materials ready, and you're ready to start the lesson. So I'm gonna stop the video here and click on the next link, and we are going to start color mixing and painting. Can't wait.